Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Bakar S. Diva from Universitas Syiah Kuala. I major economics development, master's degree, and I am a KNB recipient. I have been in Aceh for a while now, and Alhamdulillah, I feel so excited about being here. The community is a nice community here, and I have been learning Bahasa Indonesia also. So, all the teachers that have been teaching me Bahasa Indonesia have been very friendly to me, just like the community people have been. I've been to coffee shops and I've been to other places around Aceh that are so excited. I believe Aceh is very rich in culture, and it is something that we need to explore. Thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hello, Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Zarifah. I'm from Malaysia. I'm taking Master in Disaster Science for KNB scholarship. I'm excited to share my incredible experience studying in Universitas Syiah Kuala because Aceh is one of the vibrant culture in Indonesia. As I stepped into the campus ground, I was greeted by the hospitality of the local as well as the breathtaking scenery of the campus. So as for now, for almost 3 months, I've learned Bahasa Indonesia with interesting instructors, with a lot of interesting activities as well. And I also get to go to a cultural festival in other part of Aceh as well, and also take some times to go to like Sabang to enjoy the nature of Aceh. As of a reflection of my 3 months here, it's not about I'm learning Bahasa Indonesia, but also get immersed into the cultural of Indonesia, as well as their friendships, and also get to know other people from other nationalities. And these memories will be forever with me. Thank you. Assalamualaikum.
Assalamualaikum. I am Imran Mahmood. I am from Bangladesh. I am a KNB recipient in Universitas Syiah Kuala. I will do my undergrad in Technique Computer. Now it's almost 3 months. I am here in Aceh. My experience is so far good here. In our BIPA class, we are not only learning Bahasa Indonesia, we are also learning the culture of Indonesia. So to learn culture, sometimes we have field trips. We go to different places, then we try to learn about the culture here. Okay, finally, thank you to KNB Scholarship to give me this opportunity.